Managing currency fluctuations can seem daunting. However, with the right strategy, it can be easy and effective. This video will outline 6 simple steps to minimize your currency risk like a pro. Start with identifying your currency exposure and its impact. Set your hedging goals according to your risk appetite. Next, identify the right hedging products and develop a program suitable to your business needs and goals. Now it's time to implement the hedging strategy. Then, regularly monitor it and make adjustments as needed. Lastly, evaluate the performance and use insights to refine future strategies. Now let's look at a few commonly used hedging programs. Static hedging involves setting hedges for the entire period, ensuring price stability but limited flexibility to adapt to market changes. Rolling hedging sets hedges at intervals during a campaign to create a rolling effect. It offers more flexibility, but also increases rate fluctuation as it tracks market movements. Layered hedging is set over time with staggered notional and expiry dates, providing flexibility to adjust to market conditions and reducing the risks of timing in the market. Layered hedging helps CFO and treasurers smoothen their currency prices and adapt to market changes. At Ebury, we consider your needs, flexibility, risk tolerance, and objectives to analyze your business using advanced tools and design the optimal strategy for your business. Start building a bespoke risk management strategy with Ebury.